The principle in relation to trust splitting tends to come up in the context of a succession plan. So that tends to be the main place it's used. Contrasted with a trust cloning exercise, it's a mechanism to allow what would otherwise be one undivided pool of assets inside a discretionary trust to actually segregate those assets up. So a really simple classic one would be you've got shares and a property sitting inside a trust. And you say, well, we want the shares to go to kid one and we want the property to go to kid two, and we want them to have some level of autonomy across those two assets. So we're actually going to split the trust. We're going to leave the shares in the main trust, and we're going to move the property down into this split trust. And then we're going to have the trustee of this trust being kid one, and we're going to have the trustee of this trust being kid two. And that'll give them their control, and there's a whole lot of other steps around that. We can actually, according to the ruling that I'm referring to here, you can actually change the trustee indemnity, for example, and make sure that kid one is only indemnified out of the shares and kid two is only indemnified out of the property. So there's a whole lot of really interesting steps that you can take there, and it's quite an innovative way to do segregation and division of assets inside a standard family discretionary trust.